Alright, this is an original. It's called Little Bird. Little bird, why are you crying? The world is on its knees to see you smile. Feel the wind beneath your wings. Why aren't you flying? You see the angels rising up ahead, there for you. See the horizon calling, the clouds are lifting, the crowds are cheering for you. Time to forgive and forget. It's time you see it again. Feel the wind beneath your wings. The damage is healing. Can't you see he's so in love with you? And true are the words he's spoken, the pain he's felt, the promises broken for you. Time to forgive and forget. It's time you see him again. Little bird, why are you crying? The world is on its knees to see you smile. Thank you.